Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make frittatas in a muffin pan. First, gather your ingredients, such as 6 to 8 large eggs and your preferred fillings like chopped vegetables or cooked meats. Next, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Then lightly grease a 12-cup muffin pan to prevent sticking. Finally, whisk the eggs with a splash of milk, a pinch of salt, and some pepper until the mixture is well combined and slightly frothy. Now it's time to add your delicious fillings. Evenly distribute your prepped ingredients like sautéed spinach, diced ham, or crumbled feta cheese into the bottom of each muffin cup. Don't overfill them. Then carefully pour the whisked egg mixture over the fillings, ensuring each cup is about 2/3 full. Place the muffin pan into your preheated oven and bake for 15 to 20 minutes, or until the frittatas are set and lightly golden brown. Once baked, remove the muffin pan from the oven. It's important to let the frittatas cool in the pan for a few minutes. This helps them firm up and makes removal easier. After a short rest, use a small spatula or a butter knife to gently loosen the edges of each frittata. Carefully transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. For storage, place the cooled frittatas in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 to 4 days. The beauty of muffin pan frittatas is their versatility. Don't be afraid to experiment with different cheese types, fresh herbs like chives or parsley, and various spices to create unique flavor profiles. You can also add a small amount of cooked quinoa or rice for extra texture and a protein boost. These are perfect for meal prep. And speaking of staying refreshed, remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.